Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to explore how ChatGPT can act as your personal content writer. Whether you are writing blog posts, creating social media posts, or drafting an email, ChatGPT can save you time and make the process smoother. By end of this video, you will learn how ChatGPT can generate the content ideas, social media post ideas, generating the blog post contents, social media content, and also you will learn how to use ChatGPT to write the emails and how to write the follow-up emails and how to use ChatGPT to edit and proofread the content. Okay, and we will also see some real-world applications as well. So let us see step by step how ChatGPT can be your personal content writer. So let us dive in. So open the ChatGPT in your preferable platform. So here I have opened ChatGPT Plus in a browser. So first step is generating content ideas. The hardest part of content writing is often coming up with ideas. ChatGPT can brainstorm topics in a seconds. For example, here just ask ChatGPT to suggest some blog topics about healthy eating. So here just write the prompt, suggest blog topics about healthy eating. Next, let us see how ChatGPT can suggest the topics. So here are the some engaging and informative blog topic ideas about health eating. So once you have an idea, the next step is writing the content. Let ChatGPT help you craft full articles. For example, let us say you want to create a content for this article. Then what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to create or generate a full content for this blog post or article. For example, just copy this and here just write the prompt, write a blog post on, and just paste the topic 10 simple tips for eating healthy every day. Next, here also mention follow the SEO standards. You can also specify the word counts over here. For example, the blog post should be 1500 words. Next, submit this prompt and let us see how ChatGPT generate the blog post or article. And look at here. So here I am using ChatGPT Plus because it provides a good performance and a response faster, and also it provides accurate information. And look at here the blog post. If you can closely observe this blog post content, it follows the SEO standards like the title and the subtitles, and you can see the bullet points and the paragraphs. This blog post or article looks good, isn't it? So this is how ChatGPT can help you to generate a full article or a blog post. In a less than a minute, you get a well-written blog post. Next, you can edit this blog post further to add your personal touch. Well, I'm going to suggest like don't simply copy this blog post that is generated by ChatGPT entirely into your blog or a website. Before publishing, just review it and modify this blog content as per your requirement. Alright, once you review and refine the blog post content, next step is to publish this blog post content on your blog or a website. Let us say you want to publish this blog post on a WordPress website. So here let me show you how you can publish this blog post on a WordPress step by step. So just click on this copy button to copy this content and go to the WordPress dashboard. So here I am using my website dashboard over here. So in order to create a blog post, go to the new and click on post, and here in a body just paste this content and just scroll up, and here this is the blog post title. So just cut this and here go to the add title and just paste it, and in a body just remove this heading. So here just click on delete. Okay, now you can see the blog post content. So this is the title and this is the introduction and these are the subheadings, and this blog post basically follows the SEO standards. Next, before publishing this blog post, go to the post section over here and just specify the visibility, whether this blog post is for public or private, and then specify the URL. And next you can specify the author and you can specify the category, And if you want to add a new category, just click on this add new category and just specify a category like healthy and just click on add new category. And you can see here this blog post basically belongs to healthy category. Next, you can also add the tags. For example, let us say healthy tips. Next, you can add a featured image as well. So just click on this and select the featured image. And next you can add. Okay, that's it. Next, go ahead and click on publish and then publish. Next, in order to view the published blog post, just click on this view post button and just go down, and here you can see 10 simple tips for eating healthy every day. And look at here, this blog post looks good, right? Alright, so this is how ChatGPT will help you to generate amazing content. You don't have to spend a lot of time on writing your own content. You can ask ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will provide you the blog content in a minutes. Then you can review and refine the blog post content as per your requirement. Okay, great. Now we have seen how to generate the content ideas, how to generate the blog post content, and how to publish the blog post content on a WordPress. Now let us see how to get the social media post ideas using ChatGPT and how to create the social media post content as well. Okay, so here I can go to the ChatGPT and here just ask ChatGPT to suggest Instagram captions for a fitness page. And let us see how ChatGPT will respond. And look at here. So these are the some engaging Instagram captions for fitness page. Next, ChatGPT can also create attention grabbing social media posts for various platforms. For example, let us say you want to write a social media post for Twitter. Then you can just ask ChatGPT, write a tweet about the benefits of drinking water. Let us see how ChatGPT will respond. And look at here. Okay, so this response looks good. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to create attention grabbing social media posts for Twitter. Next, let us say you want to have a social media post for LinkedIn. You can just ask ChatGPT, write a LinkedIn post about teamwork. Okay, just submit this prompt and let us see how ChatGPT responds. And there we go. You can see the ChatGPT response. So this is the social media post for LinkedIn. This content also contains emojis to just grab the attention. Alright, now we have seen that how to generate the social media content ideas and how to create the social media content for different platforms. Now let us see how can you use ChatGPT to write the emails as well. So if you are struggling with professional emails, ChatGPT can help you draft them in a seconds. For example, job application email. So here you can ask ChatGPT to write a job application email for a software developer role. So here just ask ChatGPT, write a job application email for a software developer role and just submit this prompt. So look at here the ChatGPT response. This is the professional email template that can be customized to suit your needs. You can see email subject, email body. Next, you can review this email and accordingly you can modify as per your needs. Okay. Next, let us see one more example, like you want to write a follow-up email. Then you can ask ChatGPT to do that. For example, ask ChatGPT to write a follow-up email after a meeting. And then ChatGPT will generate a email template for you. So this is the subject of the email and this is the body. Next, you can go ahead and review this content and you can modify this email template as per your requirement. Now we have seen how we can use ChatGPT for writing the emails. Next, let us see how we can use the ChatGPT for editing and proofreading. Well, ChatGPT isn't just for writing. It can also help improve existing content as well. For example, grammar check. So here just ask ChatGPT to check for grammar mistakes in this text and just submit this prompt. And look at here the ChatGPT response. The sentence contains grammatical mistakes and this is the correct version of the sentence and this is the explanation for the correctness. So this is how ChatGPT can help you to correct the grammar mistakes as well. Next, ChatGPT can also help you to enhance the style. For example, let us say you want to rewrite the sentence for a professional tone. Then you can ask ChatGPT like this: rewrite this sentence for a professional tone, and then specify the sentence over here and just submit the prompt. And look at here the response: I am highly pleased with the progress we have achieved. Okay, so ChatGPT refines your content, ensure it's polished and ready for any audience. Next, let us see some of the tips using ChatGPT as a content writer. Provide clear instructions. Be specific about tone, format, and purpose of the content. Iterate and edit. Use ChatGPT's suggestions as a base and refine them to add your unique voice. Next, request variations. Ask for multiple options to choose the best fit for your needs. Next, let us discuss the limitations of ChatGPT as a content writer. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it does have some limitations. First limitation is creativity boundaries. It may not always come up with highly original ideas. Next, lack of professional touch. Human experiences and emotions are hard to replicate perfectly using ChatGPT. Next, fact checking needed. Ensure that any factual information provided is accurate and up to date. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for most content creation tasks. Alright, so that's it for today's video. ChatGPT can act as your personal content writer, helping you brainstorm the idea, generating the blog post content, generating the social media post content, writing the emails, and lot more things.